General Science, Standard 6, Chapter 5, Substances in the Surroundings, Their States and Properties. Can you recall? Name the solid, liquid, and gaseous states of water. Change of state of substances. Let's try this. Take pieces of wax in a bowl and heat them on a candle or spirit lamp. How do the pieces of wax change? What was the initial state of wax? What did it get converted into? Now keep the same bowl in cold water. What happens? When a substance changes from one state to another, the process is called change of state of the substance. Coconut oil freezes in winter. Petrol is the liquid which changes into vapor when kept open. Naphthalene balls and camphor are solids which directly change into the gaseous state. What do we learn from this? The state of a substance changes if it is heated or cooled. Every substance in our surroundings is found in either the solid, liquid, or gaseous state. In the past, in the 19th century, the scientist J. Willard Gibbs showed that the characteristic properties of a substance depend on its physical state and the arrangement of particles in it. Solids, example, a piece of iron, has a shape of its own. It retains shape no matter how it is kept. It has a definite volume. Solids like sugar, sand, when poured on a flat surface, form a heap. Liquids, example, water, spirit, oil. It does not have a shape of its own. It takes the shape of the container. It has a specific volume. It occupies definite portion of a container. It spreads on a flat surface on pouring, and it flows downwards along a slope. Gases, example, air. It does not have a shape of its own. It occupies all the available space. It does not have a definite volume. On changing the pressure on a gas in a closed container, its volume also changes. Heat and change of physical state. You have learned that change in the physical state of a substance is an effect of the amount of heat in it. On gaining heat, the substance changes from solid to liquid and liquid to gas. On the other hand, when the substance cools or loses heat, it changes from gaseous to liquid and liquid to solid state. Can you tell? Does water change into vapor the moment we place the vessel on a stove? No. Does water kept in a fridge change at once into ice? No. A specific amount of heat must be gained or lost before the state of a substance can change. The change in physical state is determined by how hot the substance becomes on gaining heat or how cold on losing it. The temperature and thermometer. When a substance gets heat, it becomes warm and then hot. We put our hand or finger in the water to judge how hot it is, but that is not an accurate measure. Besides, if the substance is very hot, we could get scalded. A thermometer is used to measure temperature. Degrees Celsius is the unit of measuring temperature. There are several types of thermometer available. Nowadays, digital thermometers are frequently used.